Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Realtek microphone drivers on your Windows computer. So these drivers can be pretty important if you're looking to have your headphones or microphones working properly. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it without too much of a hassle. So I'm going to have a URL in the description of the video to a Realtek webpage here. So we're getting directly from the source. And you scroll down a little bit underneath Windows, you want to select the version of Windows that's applicable for you. So I'm running a 32-bit version of Windows 10, so that's the one I'm going to select here. If you're running a 64-bit, which most of you guys probably are, you're going to be selecting the 64-bit version. So again, select the correct version here. You want to accept the above terms of service and then select download this file. You will need to insert an email in order to actually begin the download process here. So just type something in and then select download this file. Now you have to insert a CAPTCHA, it seems like. So select go. It's about 169 megabytes, so it definitely will take a few moments to download here. So once it's done down, you just go ahead and left click on it one time to open up the setup file. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. You can minimize out of the web browser at this time as well. You want to select next on the audio driver setup wizard here. So you will have to restart your computer to save the change. So you select yes, I want to restart my computer now. Select finish. Your computer will restart. Just make sure you close out of any open programs or applications. Okay, there you go guys. The driver should have been installed by now. So your driver should be good to go now, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.